Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Todoist recurring tasks for zero forget routines. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To activate Todoist recurring tasks for zero forget routines, start by opening your Todoist app. If you don't have the app, you can visit the Todoist website. Log into your account or create a new one if necessary. Once logged in, locate the project where you want to add your recurring task. Click on the Add Task button, usually located at the top of the project list. In the task description field, type in your task. To make it a recurring task, you need to add a specific keyword for frequency. For daily tasks, type every day or daily. To set a task for weekdays, type every weekday. For weekly tasks, you can use every week on day, for example, every week on Monday. For tasks that occur monthly, type every month on date. As you type, you will notice Todoist will suggest options for your recurring schedule. Once you have set the frequency, select the due date and any additional settings if needed. Click on the Add Task button to save your task. Your recurring task is now set and will appear in your task list automatically. You can edit your task later if your routine changes. To track your progress, check off tasks as you complete them. Use labels and priorities to manage your tasks more effectively. Consider setting reminders to receive notifications about your recurring tasks. With this setup, you will never forget your important routines again. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.